Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first let's open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the date and time, and here you can change date and time settings. So firstly you have to disable use network provided time feature. Here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can disable automatic time zone and set up your time zone. And you can also change time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.